So this is the stairs. As you can see, this is the stairs that is connecting to the two decks that are the below deck and the upper deck and the topmost third deck. As you can see, this is the stairs. I will now close the compartment and show you the restaurant. The restaurant is very small. As you can see, there is a table and a chair, two chairs, and there is an open space like where everybody can dance. Now I'll show you the first class bedrooms. There are two first class bedrooms in this ship. As you can see, there is a small bed and a small table with a TV. And now there is one more room. Remove this. There we go. This is another room of Titanic. There is a bed, a small table, and one more table and a TV. There are two decks, 1 and 2. There is a flag here. Now I showed you now the second floor. Now I will show you the last floor. As this is the last floor. There is a small toilet in here, and there are two second class rooms. This is the stairs, and this is the third class rooms. There are 3 third class rooms. And at the end, there is a small storage section. And then at the very end, there is a propeller, or you can call it as the engine room with a propeller. And on the 4th floor was some smokers, or the funnels. There were 4 funnels and there were 4 lifeboats. And the tutorial of the ship I will give you in the next video.